Welcome to our tutorial on how to prevent photo tagging from people you follow on X, Twitter, on PC. Let's go through the steps together. Start by opening X on your PC. Locate and click on the small circular profile picture icon in the top right corner of the screen. Select Settings and Privacy from the drop-down menu. From the menu on the left side, choose Privacy and Safety. Look for the option that reads, "Do not allow anyone to tag me in photos," and select it. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Save Changes to apply the setting. To confirm the changes, enter your password and click on Save Changes once more. By following these steps, you can restrict photo tagging specifically from people you follow on X, Twitter, and maintain control over your photo tagging preferences. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been informative in demonstrating how to prevent photo tagging from people you follow on X, Twitter, on PC. Customize your privacy settings to align with your preferences and enjoy a tailored experience on the platform.